play, tap green button.
It's cookie time! Choose one of us to play with.
Hey, little chef, you help me make some more delicious word cookies? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, let's get started. What word cookie, you ask? You never guess. It's cookie made out of a word. Huh? Me show you. P. T. Now you, to make word, drag one of your letter cookie cutters here. Pot. Now use little chef fingers to mix cookie letters together and... That's it! It's working! Kawabunga! It's cookie in shape of pot. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! We need 4 yummy word cookies to fill the cookie shelf. Come on, little chef, let's make more! Okay, watch this. P. T. Now add your letter. Pet. Oh, that smells delicious. It's beautiful. It's pet. Okay, how about this? B. T. U-turn. Bat. Come to cookie. Magnifique. It bat. Oh yeah, me go first. B. T. Go for it. Bit. Come to cookie. Kawabunga. It bit. Hey, who bit the cookie? Was it you? You bit cookie? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. We work hard and now reward. We have cookies for every word. You can eat cookies yourself by tapping on it. But why you want to do that? Yeah. So drag cookies over to me. Bit. Nom nom. Me no can believe that. Bat. Nom. Why? Pet. For me? Oh boy, you shouldn't have. Nom. Pot. Nom. All the cookies for me. Thank you, little chef. Quick, we got to make more cookies for you. And for me, some more cookies. Okay, how about this? H. M. Go for it. Ham. That's it. It's working. Oh boy, oh, that's terrific mixing. Holy cannoli. It ham. Okay, watch this. H. M. U-turn. Him. That's it. It's working. Kawabunga. It. Him. That not boy, that cookie. Okay, how about this? J. G. U-turn. Jug. That's terrific mixing. Yeah, that's it. It's Cookie Miracle. a cookie that looked like jug. Okay, watch this. J, G, now U. J, G, jog. Oh, that smelled delicious. Holy cannoli! It jogged. That cookie running slowly. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! Cookies look so yummy! Me no can wait to taste! We work hard and now reward! We have cookies for every word!